So this is a new one. It's called Turn This Down, top of the charts right now. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner, choreographed by Maddison and Thompson, Szymanski, and done to Spencer Hatcher's Turn This Down into a Honky, Tonk. Intro 32 counts. One restart on wall 5, so one full turn around, 16 counts, and then we restart at our 9 o'clock wall. And wall 11, we do 24 counts, and then we do add a rocking chair at our 3 o'clock wall and restart. Turn this down.
This little town is just a map plot. We're about to turn it into the hot spot. Drop every tailgate down in this parking lot. We'll put some sawdust down and make a dance floor. All the boot-scooping girls know what that's for. We're gonna turn this town into a honky-tonk. We're gonna turn this town into the place to be. Shine a little neon on these streets. Spend all night long singing till the cows come home. Pull along next and help you come down. Find a little sweet thing and spin her around. We're gonna turn this town into a honky-tonk. Everybody's looking for a good time. Got some good ideas on my mind. Get the crowd going wild in the glow of that Miller Lite sign. If it gets a little crazy, that's okay. Tonight we're gonna turn it into Broadway. We're gonna turn this town into a honky-tonk. We're gonna turn this town into the place to be. Shine a little neon on these streets. Spend all night long singing till the cows come home. Couple long necks and help you come around. Find a little sweet thing, spin her around. We're gonna turn this town into a honky-tonk. If you don't like country music, then say you're wrong. Don't let that city limit sign get you on your way home. Yeah, we're gonna turn this town into the place to be. Shine a little neon on these streets. Spend all night long, sing until the cows come home. Couple long necks and help you come around. Find a little sweet thing and spin her around. We're gonna turn this town into a honky-tonk. Yeah, couple long necks and help you come around. Find a little sweet thing and spin her around. We're gonna turn this town into a honky-tonk.
Turn this down.